Welcome to the 2021 National Monitoring Conference Awards session. First, a huge thank you to all those who put forward nominations. We had a record number of submissions and greatly appreciate the time and effort that went into crafting those nominations. We have so many outstanding members of the water quality monitoring community who are deserving of recognition. And while the awards committee was only able to select 3 winners, we should offer our gratitude to all our hardworking friends and colleagues who are striving to improve water quality and environmental resources for generations to come. Our first award is the Barry A. Long Award. The Barry A. Long Award is presented to an individual who has demonstrated exceptional perseverance and positive spirit while overcoming public or personal adversity to make significant contributions to the enhanced recognition, management, and protection of nationally, regionally, or locally significant aquatic ecosystems. The winner of this year's Barry A. Long Award is Leslie McGeorge. In her 39-year career with the New Jersey Department of Environmental Protection, Leslie was a tireless advocate for the development and implementation of innovative, scientifically based tools for use in water quality management. Among her many accomplishments, she built New Jersey's first result-based management system, which was recognized by the EPA and other organizations as a national model. She is recognized for excelling at finding creative ways to advance New Jersey's monitoring and assessment capabilities, especially in times of severe resource constraints. Leslie fostered external partnerships to assist New Jersey DEP in developing and enhancing its various water quality monitoring capabilities and management activities. In particular, in conjunction with the USGS New Jersey Water Science Center, she formed the New Jersey Water Monitoring Council. Leslie also spearheaded development of a statewide recreational response strategy for harmful algal blooms, development and expansion of a statewide long-term monitoring strategy, as well as the establishment of a comprehensive monitoring program in both the Barnegat Bay and its freshwater tributaries. Leslie's commitment to maintaining and improving the quality of New Jersey's water resources during her career with New Jersey DEP are unmatched, and her many accomplishments will serve New Jersey's water community for years to come. Congratulations to Leslie McGeorge for a career of outstanding achievements and as recipient of the 2021 Barry A. Long Award. The Elizabeth J. Fellows Award is presented to an individual who, by his or her actions, has provided outstanding achievement, exemplary service, and/or distinguished leadership at the local, state, tribal, interstate, and/or national levels in natural resources management and environmental protection. This year's Elizabeth Jester Fellows Award goes to Alyssa Phillips Griggs. Alyssa is the Watershed Science Director at the Farmington River Watershed Association, a nonprofit organization whose mission is to ensure that the natural resources of the Farmington River are forever protected. Alyssa is recognized for her dedication to protecting the environment, both professionally and personally. She has excelled at working closely with municipalities, state and federal agencies, corporations, other nonprofits, and educational institutions, with many positive river stewardship outcomes to show. She shares her knowledge and experience by mentoring numerous volunteers and interns. Alyssa initiated a bacteria monitoring program and established a microbiology lab and an aquatic macroinvertebrate taxonomy laboratory, and continues to collect data and train volunteers annually. She has developed numerous restoration projects to remove invasive plant species, plant native species in riparian zones, and install rain gardens. She organized Connecticut's first collection and environmentally safe disposal of unwanted and expired pharmaceuticals. Alyssa also worked with all 9 wastewater treatment plants in the Farmington River watershed to develop a watershed-wide emergency response plan and collaborated with USGS to analyze sewer discharges for emerging contaminants. She coordinated the NRCS Streamwalk program for stream and riparian assessments and collaborated with the Connecticut Department of Environmental Protection to plan Connecticut's first volunteer water monitoring conference. For these many achievements, demonstrating the attributes of the Elizabeth Jester Fellows Award, congratulations, Alyssa. The Vision Award is presented to a monitoring council or other group that has demonstrated extraordinary vision and cooperation in the field of water quality monitoring on a local or regional level through one or more of the following areas related to natural and water resources management. Developing new and creative approaches to water resources monitoring and management on a local or regional level, providing leadership in bringing together a diverse array of partners, including scientists, managers, stakeholders, and communities to address water quality or quantity issues, promoting water quality monitoring data comparability, management, and sharing, and educating stakeholders on water-related monitoring and management issues. The winner of this year's Vision Award is the Blue Water Task Force, a nationwide water quality monitoring program of the nonprofit Surfrider Foundation. The Blue Water Task Force is Surfrider's citizen science program that provides critical water quality information to the public in protecting health at the beach. Since the inception of the task force more than 25 years ago, Surfrider volunteers have been out in their communities testing water quality. Now a large national network with nearly 55 chapter-led labs, the Blue Water Task Force is measuring bacteria levels at more than 450 ocean, bay, estuary, and freshwater sampling sites in coastal states across the country. Blue Water Task Force programs fill in the gaps and extend the coverage of state and local agency beach programs, including the monitoring of potential sources of pollution, such as stormwater outlets, rivers, and creeks that discharge onto the beach. The Blue Water Task Force is in operation year-round, providing public health protection through the off-season when lifeguards and health officials stop collecting water samples. All of Surfrider Foundation's Blue Water Task Force data can be easily accessed online, and Blue Water Task Force chapters provide data to their local communities through local chapter websites and local news media. Congratulations to Blue Water Task Force for exemplifying the spirit of the Vision Award. And a final thank you to all our winners, the nominators, and the awards committee.